either welcome. I'm your favorite hobby tourist. Hope you're all having a wonderful day. You know, I love starting every single day, doing my dailies. I'll get up early, I'll work a little bit, I'll have some breakfast, take my daughter to school, spend time with my fiance. I was working actually, I was working a lot today. And then I get to hang out with you guys. If you didn't notice, it's a little later. I still haven't figured out a schedule. I'm actually thinking about possibly changing up the schedule just the way how things are. And I was like, okay, just because like I haven't like locked it in yet. I'll probably make like a post with it on like what days and like what hours, etc. Hey, Daft Duck, welcome in. How are you? Today is a dev day. I don't know if you guys have noticed. So it is a dev day, and I'm still figuring out like a fun style. So I looked at some videos. I looked at a video because I want to have like a unique look to this, right? So I want people when they look at it, they're like, oh, this is Ori's. Like off the bat, you know what I mean? Like when they see it, like this is Ori's, this is what it is. So I'm still getting like the gist of like the style I want for this game. And I have like this like a painterly style in mind, and I'm trying to get that image in 3D as well. Obviously, here's the character, Ritmon, like he's what's it called? That's like its code name. I don't have like a locked in name yet. But for now, I'm calling it Ritmon. He's a little camaron, which is like a little shrimp who like dances, and like he's a musical instrument. That's what he is. Yeah, I'll show you what it looks like just so you guys can check it out. But how are you guys? See, here it is. Oh, and I was able to do this. It was actually really embarrassing what it was. So, because remember, I was trying to make it transparent, but I couldn't remember how to do it. And it was actually really embarrassing. The thing is that this, I don't know if you could see it, this part was too short, right? You see this? So it was too short. So I wasn't able to see the plus sign, right? So because of that, it was too short, and I didn't notice the little plus sign is how I added in the opacity setting. And I was like, are you serious? So this whole time I was just like wasting time looking for it, and it was right there. Wait. Oh, and thank you so much, Daft Duck, for reminding me for the 3 emojis. Okay, so if anyone watches this later, you're more than welcome to play this little game that I like playing with you guys. So I want to see 3 emojis, okay? Not 1, not 2, 3 emojis describing how your day has been, something you're like really excited about, right? It could be like, it was like, oh, like something coming up. It could be or something that just passed. Whatever's on your mind. And I want to try to guess. You don't even have to tell me what it is if I get it wrong. If I get it wrong, you're like, hey, you know, good luck. Not even close. All right, let's see. Daft Duck with a TV. HR thumbs up. What does that mean? Ooh, I don't know. What could that be? TV HR. What is that? HR? What's HR? Television HR in a thumbs up. Oh, I don't know. Watching Croatian show. HR's Croatia? Huh? Because on my side, I only see HR. What does it look like on YouTube? Like, what do you see because on mine it just says HR. I don't see anything else. No, wrong. HR's Croatia. I did not know that. I've never heard of that. Interesting. That's new to me. That's cool though. I didn't know that. I didn't know. Now, I mean, I learned something new. I did not know HR means Croatia. Interesting. That's cool though. All right, so today, and oh, didn't you say you were uploading a video? I didn't see any videos, right? I think you said you were gonna upload a video, and I was like, I don't remember seeing anything uploaded. I mean, it's fine if you didn't. I was just like, oh, I was kind of expecting it. Yeah, you didn't post anything. It's fine. Like, it's okay if you didn't. But I was just like, hey, I was like, I don't see nothing new. You just have, I like TNT. I'm still editing. Oh, okay. I get you. That's fine. Oh, okay. Okay, I was able to open on the YouTube. It does show the flag. It shows the Croatian flag. So that makes more sense. I was like, why HR? HR. I was like, okay. Because on my side, it just says HR. So I didn't know what it was. Okay, so what I said, I was going to try something fun. I was looking at it, right? And I saw this guy. So what he did, so he made a brush layer, right? So he added a layer. So I'm going to add a layer, but on this layer, what he did with those unique, what he did, he went to this. So he removed everything. I don't know if you can see it. He removed everything, and then he did the what's it called? The normal map only. So I'm gonna see what happens. What happens when you do the normal map? What is that? Does it do anything? Huh? I'm looking, I'm like, what? I'm so confused. What is this? Let's do brushes. I should do, which is the brush I liked? There was like a brush I liked. Charcoal? No, it's not the charcoal one, but what does that do? I'm not seeing nothing. Normal? Oh, it is doing something. But I want different colors. What if I do this? Does it change the color? I know, I'm like, huh? Yeah, I know. I'm trying. I just want to test it out. I want to see what it does. So if I do this, and let's see what that looks like in the materials. Oh, it did do something. Not that. Interesting. Look at it. It did something. Oh, it changed how shiny it is. You're going to finish it tomorrow? Okay, nice. You like, that's cool. Okay. So it does change it. That's not exactly what I want. I want to do, what is this one? No. That one's kind of nice. I like that. Huh. I'm like I said, I want this to feel painterly. Let's see. Does it actually change anything in the base? Yes, in the base it won't change anything. It's just the lighting. That's what it does. It changes the lighting on this. I'm not sure if I like that though. I'm like looking at it, I'm like, it's not looking how I want, if you understand. Here, okay, if I mess around with it, you want to see at least 2 characters for my game. Yeah, of course, I would love to. I would love to see that. So this is not exactly, what happens if I change the color? Does it still, it changes like the, You see what I'm doing, right? I'm like looking at it. It changes how shiny things are. Kind of, barely. Not really, not much. Like the more I look at it, like it barely changed anything. If I go dark, see now it's like super unshiny. And then this is very shiny. It's like interesting. It is definitely interesting what I'm playing with. Let's see. So if I go to normals, that's realistically what okay. So let's do, I'm going to go with the base color, of course. Let's do base. And I select this, okay? So if I just do this, it's just going to stay that color. So I'm going to go over everything. Yeah, let's just go over everything. I just want to make sure it's all the same consistency. Right? Let's see how that looks. Now that I put everything the same material. Okay. Okay. See, it should be, it's all shiny. It's like semi-shiny, not like super shiny. I sent it. Yay, I'll check it right now. Let's see. Let's see what you did. The green shirt kid is Luca, and the sharky dude is Flynn. Wait, what has it got there? All right. Oh, I like that. I like Finn a little more, if I'm being honest. I like Finn though. I like the little teeth he gave him. It's cute. Hey, MS40, welcome in. Well, I'm just like playing around still with this little guy, Ritmon. If you notice, I got the eyes. The eyes, I think they look really nice. I think they look cute and adorable. Now, what I'm playing with is that I saw this like painterly style, right? I saw somebody do it a while ago. And I was like, oh, I like that. But I was still trying to figure out how to do it. So from what I saw, they did like this, right? They go like this kind of. And then like depending on how dark it is how matte it is. So the darker it is, the more matte it is, and then the lighter it is, the shinier it gets. So I think it's kind of like I build out these little blocky areas, kind of. So let's see how that looks. Oh, it looks. Yeah. I'm like, because it removes the shine on them. It's still a little shiny, but just because like the color, I didn't go like full dark. The darker it is, the less shiny it is. The brighter it is, the shinier it gets. I don't know. I'm not like super happy with this. Like I'm looking at it and I'm like, It's like I'm not there when I look at it. What about this? If I did this, it's not much better. Right? Flynn isn't my creation. It was my friends who made it. Oh, okay. Well, I like animals more than people. I just think they're more interesting. I'm a big fan of fantastical characters. Yeah, see, like you see what I mean. I'm looking at it, and I'm not sure if I'm sold on this. Let's see, artistic. You know what I mean, right? I'm like looking at it, I'm like, I'm not sold on this. I'm looking at it and it's like, okay, at best. Yeah, see? It's it's interesting, but I'm not getting like a full on look to it. It's not looking like, oh, it looks unique. Not really. It doesn't look that unique to me. I'm just like removing shine on some parts. Yeah, I'm like, I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it's not there. I think it needs I need something else. This isn't it. Yeah, like look. This looks weird. It just looks dirty. It looks like I smushed it. It doesn't look nice to me. The more I play with this, it's like, nah. Yeah, no, I'm not liking this. I'm gonna just get rid of that one. Yeah, right? I'm like looking at it. Oh no, I didn't mean to do that. I don't know. Like I want it to like look a little different. Like there's something to it. And what does this do? Oh, that's very interesting. The cracks. I do like it, but not for him. Actually, hold up. Let's now that I'm playing with this, might as well like play around with this a little bit. And I'm like looking. What are other things we could do to this? What is this? A fracture? What does that do? Oh. Oh, interesting. I don't like that. Not for my guy. That's very interesting, but it's a no. He looks gross. What are these? Oh, these like little feet print. That's neat. That's like little fibers. What is it? Like some of these things are interesting. They're very interesting. I've never really played with these. Oh, bark. I actually really like that. Okay. I like the bark. Let's make that bigger though. Huh. I'm like looking at it. Yeah. Yeah, let's do the bark a little bit. I kind of like that on him because he is wood. He is wooden. And I kind of like the roughness on this. I don't know. No, actually, I'm gonna go back. I'm going back on the. Like, it looked interesting. It looked interesting for a moment, but the more I looked at it, I was like, no, it's just like a. It's not like a style. What I want, and I want a unique style to this. I want it to feel different, and I really like. I saw this. Like I said, I saw this some person do it, where it looked like a painting, and I was like, how do they do that? I was like, that's so cool looking, but it's not. It's not it. I'm taking a break from homeschool yet again. I'm not sure if I'm going to do my other lesson because my first one was suffrage. That's funny. And doesn't really go well. So I'm mad and tired. Oh, I mean, I could get it. If it's like it's new to you, right? This is something brand new. You're still not used to it. You have to like get used to like, okay, how many do I have to do per day? How many a week? How many a month? Like, you know? So I imagine you like I'm assuming your parent is helping you figure this out. I'm not sure if I'm going to do the second assignment, which is nice. Like I don't have to keep working it. Not like, oh yeah, I know. That's what I'm saying. Like, do you have your parent helping you out with this? Or is this you by yourself? You're like figuring it out. Yeah, like wait. For yeah, like I want a style. Oh, what is this? What is this? Hold up. Oh, I don't know. That looks this paint. I kind of like the texture. It looks cool. That's not what I want though. Back. Wait. If I removed, what does it look like if I did the normals only? Remove. Well, now what does that look like? Did nothing. It doesn't really do anything. I want something that gives like a. Oh wait. This one. This one looks interesting. What does that one do? I don't know. I don't like this one. It looks like I bruised him. Oh, I feel bad. Now it looks like I hurt the poor little guy. Right? That's what it looks like to me. No. Do another layer. What is this? Is this gouache? It's kind of what I want to do. A little bit. Let me see what this looks like. That's not the right color. And let's do normal. And then I want to see what happens when I grab this color. And then let's do that, right? And I'm going to grab normal, right? That's what I want. Huh? It's pretty much like in between because I'm doing the work by myself. I mean, yeah, I figured you are doing the work by yourself. That's what I was like. I have like very mixed opinions on homeschooling because I feel like it is one of those things I'm like, that's cool. But at the same time, you have to be very self-motivated. You have to be like, oh yeah, I'm down. I'm doing this 100%. What is this? I'm like looking at this. Yeah, I'm not sold on this. You know, I'm like looking at this like I'm not sold on this one. Yeah, it doesn't like change anything. I want it to change stuff, and it's not. This one, it's nice, I guess, but it doesn't really do anything. All my characters are now copyright. Some of them are not copyrighted. Oh, okay. What do you mean? Like, where are they just originals? Are they original characters, or are you saying that they are like something else? MS4E. It's like not really that bad, but yet still think of all the work. No, I mean, obviously, that's what I'm saying. You have to break it up. You have to look at like, okay, this is how much I have to do. And then you break it up by like until it's daily. You're like, okay, today I only need to do this much. And then this week I only have to do this much. Like think of it that way. Because if it's like the whole thing, it's like a huge packet. You're like, okay, I got to fill out this whole thing by this semester. You're like, well, no, hold up. How many weeks are in this semester? Break it up. And then say, okay, how many Now that I know like how breaking it up by week, then break it up by day. I think it'd just be better that way. A little less overwhelming. Original characters, I made them. Oh, nice. So the OCs, original characters, awesome. That's way better. Because you don't want to use characters that are from something else. I am still on this, what is this? What is this? Don't know. Oh, I don't want to put it on top of like a layer. I don't want to risk destroying a layer I have. What are these? These are like so, they look interesting. These layers look really interesting. But I don't want to ruin it. What is this? Brush. But what does this do? Normal. Okay, let's see what it looks like. Normals. And then let's change up the color. Actually, I should probably just do all of it. Okay, let's do all of it first, just so I have it all colored in. So it's all one color, right? It'll just be better that way. I don't even know why I don't have it all one color. I feel like it should be the normals at least. And then on top of this, I paint in the variety, which I've seen people do it, but I guess I just don't know how to do it yet. Let's see. I want to grab, which one was it? Which is the one I was using is where I'm really at. Like, is this the one? No. Concrete? I don't think I use concrete. I use a brush, obviously. It's not this artistic brush. It might be this one. It might, no, it's not. It might be this one. Hey, Salty Pretzel! Flynn, Melvin, and Inferno Dragon are made by my friend because he wants to help me with it. Oh, that's so awesome. I love it. That's nice. Are you actually gonna like do, is your friend gonna help more? Are they gonna be more involved in this project? Oh, and hello, thank you so much. Tekken, thank you so much for following. That's very kind of you. All right, so I'm looking at this, right? And I'm trying to fiddle around with what we're doing. Wait. If I do this, what does that do? Color. I want to be able to, wait. Huh? Normals. I want the color to be different, right? Because I'm looking at it, and I want to change the colors up just slightly. Maybe like a little darker. What does that look? How's that look? If I do that, no. What if I do it way darker? Did that change it at all? Am I even like selecting it? I'm not, am I? No, it is normals. I should be painting on the normals. That's odd. I'm pretty sure I had it on normals. Oh, is it the gouache brush? This doesn't paint? No, that's weird. Did I do it wrong? Am I just like doing everything wrong now at this point? Let's see. Materials. Normals. Maybe I'll make another layer. Okay, we'll make another layer on top. And then I'll try it out again. All right, so let's grab this one. No. Do the crack. Let's see what that does. It does do something. See, like these actually do things, but they're not doing things that I want. What does that do? Material. Oh, that looks weird. That looks really weird. I don't like that. Not even a little bit. Calligraphy. Burn. What does a burn do? What was that? What was that? That looks weird. I've never done that. That's such a weird effect. No. I'm like, no, that's not it. Broken glass. That, okay, like these are interesting, but I'm not going to use them. what is that? That looks gross. These are just like real, like these are not appealing. These brushes, I'm playing with them. Like obviously I'm playing with them to see what they look like, but these look awful. And the material, I think that's a big one too. The material looks disgusting. Like this, yeah, like what is this? Carbon fiber? No. No, 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 no. I want what material? I don't even know. I want like a plain material. This is random, but I really do not like Sonic EX is overrated as a... Wait, which one is Sonic EX? I don't know. I mean, I like Sonic. Sonic is pretty fun. They usually are. Those are some interesting, bro. Yeah, I know. I'm looking, I'm like, these are not, because I'm trying to go for like a unique feel to it, right? And I was looking at techniques and it's not coming out the way I wanted. The one I tried, I was like, oh, okay, so you do like this and that. And I'm looking, I'm like, these look nothing like what that person did. Because I saw one that looked really cool and I was like, oh, I like that, but did not do what I wanted. So this is what I want to try. I'm going to try it again. So we're going to normals. We're going to go to the color. I don't need this color. I want. So I grab this. I go like a darker one. Oh, okay. I think I got it. I think I got it. This should be better. I'm going to get off today. Yeah. Have a wonderful day, MS4E. Not Sonic. Sonic EX is over horror stuff. Oh, yeah. I don't like horror stuff. Yeah. So I get it. I get it. I don't like horror stuff. So yeah. Hey, Atlas, welcome in. Okay. I think I found one that doesn't look horrible. Maybe. Let's see how that looks when I do this. So if I do this, right? Let's see. How does this look? As I'm like looking at it. It looks a little messy, right? Let's do the normals. I'm getting like a unique look to it, maybe? I don't know. I'm kind of like, I think I might be grasping. You know, I'm grasping. I have to go, have to edit my video. Yeah, have a wonderful day. .exe. No, I will not, Atlas. I'm so sorry. I know. I know you really want to, but I'm sorry. I cannot. Okay, so I am playing with this. Oh, no. What was that? Okay. Let's see if I could get something looking good. By the way, finally finished 100% DK Bonanza. Ooh, very nice. That's cool. Right after that, I'm like, I don't know. I might have to reconsider. I might have to reconsider what you asked earlier. I'm joking, obviously. After hearing that you 100%ed it. And I was like, what? Okay. No, I don't like that. That looks gross. I'm like, well, I don't know. I'm kind of contemplating about this. Let's see what that looks like. Did that even change anything? By me doing this, it doesn't change much, does it? It doesn't feel like I'm changing much. Man. What about these? Ew. Same thing too, if I'm really being honest. I'm looking at it. What does this do? Oh. I don't know. I'm not like... I don't like it, and I do at the same time. Yeah, like I don't like it for everybody, because that's what I'm looking for. I'm looking for a style that works for everyone. And this isn't it. Oh, man. I'm looking at this. What does this do? Fill? Huh? No. No. That is a no. A no on my side. Let's do... What are these? I'm like, you know what I mean. I'm trying to get a nice look to it. I might have to just give up on like trying to get a unique look to this. Because all of these, I think it looks fine, right? What do you guys think? Should I just leave them as is? Because the more I play with him, the more I feel like I should just leave him like this. And this should just be his thing. Because I was like, well, oh, you know what I could do? Instead of trying to paint the texture unique, I could just do it in Unity, right? So actually, we could probably, I'm looking at the time. I have like a bunch of time. Not a bunch, like I could be on for like maybe an hour. No, actually less than an hour. Probably like 30 more minutes. I'll probably be on for 30 more minutes. So maybe I could play with Unity. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna hold up. I'm gonna open up Unity. I did fix some stuff last time. I know, like we were like, oh, I was gonna use Unity, and like I said, I couldn't because there was some issues. Security alert. Why? Open. Change version. Yeah, I'm gonna change version. Because that was like one of the issues because I was using 6.5, but apparently 6.5 has like a bunch of updates, and almost everything I had was not working. Yeah, continue. Yeah, because I want to go back. I want to go to 6.3. So I'm going to 0.3 instead of 6.5. Just because 6.5 was just, it had too many things, too many like things I had to change. Just because, you know, I'm not like a programmer, so I use a lot of stuff that are already made. People make them, you know, a lot of people make them, like wonderful people on the Unity store. And I was like, oh, sweet, I could grab these, throw them in. Like one of them is the grass shader. It was like a grass shader. I think it broke it last time. So wait, Unity package manager. Wait, what's going on? Cannot find mathematic package. Retry. It's asking me for some stuff. I will continue, I guess. It's just saying, are you sure you want to go back? Like, yes, I want to go back because I will continue. We'll see. We will see if I could, what's the deal with this, okay? There might be some issues. Fingers crossed. Let's see about saving this guy, right? So I'm going to save him, send to, no, I don't. I'm just gonna save this guy. I'll save him. We're gonna keep him on the screen for now, while I'm trying to figure out the Unity stuff, because I don't want you guys to look at nothing. That's just kind of boring. Here, I'll put him in like a nice background. Da, 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 while this is loading. Ooh, no, let's put him in a different place. I don't like this place. Either way, I have to wait for it to load so I could mess around with it. Oh, is it struggling? It froze for a second. All right, hold up. So let's see. So I'm going to do, where is it? Not this one. So it is panoramic. That's the one I like. And it is not that one. Is it? No, it's not. I'm looking for the different backgrounds, by the way. Where is it? Is it this one? And I'm just like, I just went past it. It is. It was this one. Oh, that's nice, but no. What is that one? That's just like a random, oops. Oh, sorry for hitting the mic. Ooh, my computer is struggling. It is not happy that I have Substance and Unity open at the same time. I'm gonna put like the beach. Dude, the desert. The desert looks nice and pretty. He looks nice here. Can you imagine my game, like the full version, look like this? Enter safe mode. Oh, it's asking for safe mode. Let's see. Doo-doo-doo. All right, what do you guys think of this? How's this look? It looks cute, right? I think it looks cute. It looks adorable. So imagine him hopping around. Boop, boop, boop. He's gonna be like hopping around in game. It's not gonna look this high res though. It's not. My game, I don't want it to look like this. I want it to be able to run on a Switch too. And maybe like PlayStation or I don't want you to have to like get a super intense computer just to be able to play my game. It does look nice though. I will admit it looks pretty nice. It looks like a whoa, how many? Oh no. Cancel. What is this? Open package manager. Ooh. How many errors? Errors and warnings. Oh my. Oh, I think I need to like download a bunch of stuff. I mean, you want just the end of this to be me debugging this? I guess I'll do that. So I'm going to switch it over. Let's switch it over to Unity Work. No. Unity Play. No. Kind of. I think it'll be Unity Work. I'm going to switch it over here. Everything over here. So let's do... No, actually, I'll just call it Unity Play. And then... Okay, let's close this. This one will be like this. And then I'm just going to be downloading a bunch of stuff. Actually, no, let's fix the screen avatars. One moment. Let's fix those guys up while we're doing some stuff. Screen avatars. I know you're like, what are you looking for? I'm actually... fit? No. Stretch? It's usually stretch. One moment, guys. No, let's do... Yeah, I'll fill it. And then let's do this. Wow. Where are they? I'm like looking for you guys. Bear with me. Oh, you're on the bottom. What are you doing on the bottom? You know? I'm like, what are you guys doing down here? All right, let's move you up. Again, you guys are like, wait. There we go. And I could do it. I could write this. And then, oh, okay. Now, there it is. Perfect. And let's fix that as well. Let's do the... Not what I wanted to fix. What I want to fix is the effects. This one. And then let's change this to like this color. Okay. I'm looking at it. I'm like, it's slightly off. I'm going to raise you guys. Right there. And lower that. Right there. Do that. I'm just like fixing stuff at this point. Okay. Where are you guys anyways? Let's see. And let's see what you guys said in chat. Hey, Gamer Plushie. Hey, dude, you fine? Yeah, I'm good. Thank you. I was just checking on some stuff. I'm going to move this down here, though. Or I should just hide it. Oh, it freezes if I hide it. Well, that's a bummer. I'll just put it underneath then. I got it. I swear we're gonna do like some debugging. I'm gonna close up Substance just because my computer just can't handle all of this stuff at the same time. There we go. Perfect. It should go a little smoother. So we're gonna go into this. I'm just gonna update a bunch of stuff. That's all I'm doing right now. So this one, let's see. Re-download. It should work. It is like old. It's literally just a skybox, right? We're just re-downloading the skybox. If it did it, it should have. Okay, yeah. Okay, it did. Oh, package no longer supported. Oh. Okay. Let's remove then. I guess I have to remove that. That's a bummer. I like that skybox that I had too. I mean, it's all filler. I'm not like it is one of those things that's all filler, so I'm not super stressed about it. Let's see. This one. So all of these, what do I gotta do? Following indirect dependence cannot be resolved. Wait, what? Oh snap. There's a bunch of errors. What about this one? Files, universe pipeline. Let's see. Manage. Installs dependency. Hold on. Let's see if there's any updates I could do. Because it seems like there's like a bunch of things that I need to fix. Fix that. Not really. This one, what's the deal with this? Okay, apparently I gotta like update all of this stuff. Like all of this, I have to update it. Ooh, look at these errors. No one wants to see 38 errors. Oh my god. That's a lot of errors. Ooh, no. I don't even know how to tackle all of it. Like, where would I even start? Learn more. No, that's yeah, I feel like this is one of those moments I'm looking at it. I think I'm not gonna do that right now. I'm looking at I'm like, yeah, I ain't gonna do this right now. This is like a lot of stuff going on. This is like one of those things like I'm gonna just like have to take my time. View package manager. Yeah, see, I have to like go one at a time, see if I can fix all this stuff. What? Okay. Should I just remove everything? No. I don't know. No, I don't want to play with this. I don't want to like mess it up right now. What should I do? I'm like thinking because the issue was I had updated it because the other version said it was corrupted or something, had like an error. So I had updated it and then it said for me to go back just because it was too far. Like a lot of things I was using wasn't to that date. And I was like, oh. So I went back. So now I'm contemplating what I should do. Because I'm looking at this. I feel like this is going to take forever just to me go like what okay, let me see. What is it? What's going on? Library package cache. Render pipeline, the type name mathematic does not exist. Oh, so it's just looking for things that no longer exist. Okay. I feel like this is one of those things I have to like update a bunch of stuff. You know, this is like one of those situations. I feel like I just need to update a bunch of different things. Import update. Okay, okay, let's just like I'm gonna update it before like ending my stream. I want to update a few things just to see if it fixes a few of them. Packages. I should like let's see. Nothing to import. Okay. Let's see. Can I check? Update available. That's what I'm gonna do. My assets, updates available. So this one has an update available, which I did. What about this one? Does this one have an update available? I feel like there's the Unity registry stuff. There's probably a bunch that I need to update. Yeah, no. Okay, let's see. Do this. Configure. Wait, hold up. So this one, I have to configure this one. Configure, timeline. Visual scripting. Updates available. It says like there's updates. Yeah, I will deal with this later. Okay. I don't want to like do like this on a stream because that's gonna be boring, and I'm just gonna be talking. and I want to talk with you guys. That's the whole point of doing the stream, so I can talk with you guys. So I'm going to wrap it up. All right, I'm gonna wrap it up here. Either way, I was gonna do a shorter stream. You got good. Oh, I'm literally wrapping it up. What's the good news before we go, Mr. Ghost? And also, hello, Mr. Ghost. I was literally wrapping it up because I was doing a little bit of debugging. I know. I was just saying because I don't want to be like doing debugging because if you see, I'll show you. Oh, I guess you can't see it. What if I? Can you see it now? I have 138. What's it called? I'll tell you on my stream then. Okay, I can listen to it. Yeah, sure. Because I have 138 errors. Because of an update. So it just huge thing. If you're ever gonna update, be careful. Because a lot of times, like right now, it says I'm looking for mathematics. It does not exist. Mathematics no longer exists after doing the update. Mathematics is actually looking at it is a huge one. The type namespace name mathematics does not exist. Okay. Unit are missing an assembly reference. Yeah, so I'm missing. It's like looking for a word, a very specific word, actually. Mathematics is almost okay. And okay, after mathematics, then it starts looking for float 4x4, and then float 3, unity 3, and it's looking for like a bunch of things that no longer exist after I did that update. So I'm gonna wrap it up. I'm looking at, I'm like, yeah, I think I'm gonna wrap it up here, just because this is not. I don't want to do this on a stream. It's funny because I was fixing it. I was fixing it earlier. Last night I was fixing a little bit, and I had more. I had a bunch of errors, but now I have even more errors. Like I fixed some things, but then I made other things worse. I was like, great. Anyways, I'm gonna wrap it up. Wait, let's see. I have an announcement that I have 98 subscribers and only 2 more to officially 100. Ooh, okay. Do I have? Hold up. I might be able to help you out. I am subbed with this one. Let me hold up. I might be able to help you out. Ghost Head. I'll help you out right now. Let me see. And there you go. You got your 100. I was able to subscribe with my other accounts for you. You should have 100 subs. Yep, you do. You have officially 100 subs. Gamer Plushie. I used Ghost Head and Delirium Latino. Because I have those other ones. So you are good. You're welcome. I was able to get to 100 for you. So I'm going to wrap it up, though. Thank you guys so much for hanging out. Thank you so much. Gamer Plushie, OG, Mr. Ghost, The Great Atlas, Daft Duck, Salty Pretzel, MS4E, and I think that was it for and Fatih Takin, thank you so much for the follow. That was very kind of you. Oh, thank you so much. Yeah, no. I know it's a very easy thing for me to do, so I don't feel like it's you don't need to think. Don't worry about it. Thank you guys so much. Hope to see you all very soon. See you next time. Goodbye.